Hi traders, just want to update you with a trade that could well be setting up tomorrow. As If you've been following my post, you know that I've been bullish pound US dollar all this month, ever since the start of the month. And you can see here, price has just gone up about 350 points. Now, I've taken a couple of chunks out of this on the way up. I pulled my longs at these recent highs with the Syria situation flaring up. But tomorrow could offer a good opportunity to carry on going long. And what could be a catalyst would be, let me just move this here, is the UK CPI inflation data is coming out. Now, if this comes out as a beat, 2.9, 3%, anything like that, then that would almost certainly mean that prices are going to be hiked. The interest rates are going to be hiked, and the May meeting's coming up sort of early May. So that potentially could be a pound long for a good 2-3 weeks. So worth bearing in mind. The other interesting data that's out is the Bank of Canada's interest rate decision. Now, it's expected to be 1.25%, to stay the same, but there's a high chance that there could be a beat of this, and Governor Pollard's hikes interest rates. He's quite happy to surprise the market. He's done it before, he's done it again. So if that does happen, have a look around, see what could happen. US dollar, Canadian dollar pair looks like a lovely one, and see what you could get here. You could get a drop straight down to 1.23. So if there was a surprise hike, then I just jump in, put your stop above the high and of the data announcement, and just write it down to 1.23. Should be quite, yeah, should just be about there. Should be quite easy, guaranteed almost to get 1.23. So that's what I'm going to be looking at tomorrow. So looking at the CPI data out of Britain and the Bank of Canada. And even if they don't raise interest rates, do have a look at the press conference an hour and 15 minutes later, because he might give a hint as to how close they are to hiking rates. The inflation was high. It was two of the inflation data points they had were above their stated target. So they're obviously close to hiking rates. When is it? We've got a NAFTA agreement in the background. When is that going to be sorted? Things are looking positive, but let's see what Pollard says. He might give an indication about when interest rates are going to be hiked. Okay, guys, just a couple of setups for tomorrow. Have a look at them, see how they go, and I hope you have a good trading session. Bye.